Hey guys, Zachary Shaheen here with 3D Creations for Beginners. This is a short little video where I want to talk about the program that I've chosen to use for these tutorial videos, which is Blender. Well, the reason I'm choosing Blender is, for one, it's open sourced, which means that anybody can go and download it and begin making 3D models. The other reason I want to use this is because it has a very great and growing community for people uploading their work, downloading it, and communicating. Now, Blender, like I said, is an open source 3D program. It's actually been around since 1995 and is used by NASA to make their 3D models. We can go ahead and go to blender.org, where you can see some of the works of Blender, and you can go ahead and download the program right here. Now, like I said, it is free, and you're definitely going to want to download it and follow along with these videos so you can start creating your amazing 3D works. Now, I want to go ahead and just give a quick overview of how to navigate and work in Blender so you can begin working on your 3D creations. Okay, now the first thing I want to go over is how we look around, zoom in, and click on things. Now, to orbit around objects like this, all that you have to do is hold in your middle mouse button and click and drag. If you want to pan around an object, hold down Shift and click and drag with the middle mouse button. Now, clicking on things is actually done with the right mouse button. So we're going to right click here to select this light, right click on this object, or right click on our 3D camera right here. And then we have the 3D cursor. Now you can place the 3D cursor on something by left clicking. If you want the 3D cursor to return to the center of the grid, push Shift S, which is going to bring up this little snap menu, click on Cursor to Center. There we go. Now if we want to create an object like a sphere, it's automatically going to go to this 3D cursor in the center of the screen. There we go, just like that. Okay, and also as far as zooming in and out, we're going to scroll in and out with the middle mouse button. Now these controls are a little bit difficult to get used to, especially the right clicking being how you select objects, but it won't be long until you can navigate through this program like a professional. One thing I would like to mention about Blender is that it does not have any kind of an autosave feature, so it's very important to save as often as you can. The hotkey for save is the same as many other computer programs, Control S. Now, Blender does have a lot of nice presets to create new objects. As you can see here, we can create a cone, a cylinder, a cube, and a plane. You can make whatever 3D creation you want, starting with any one of these objects. If you want to get a more in-depth look at computer modeling, texturing, materials, and rendering, go ahead and check out the Moon Pyramid tutorial. Okay, this is going to do it for this installment of 3D Creations for Beginners. If you're interested in learning from these video tutorials, please continue to browse this channel. Also check me out on Twitter at 3D4Beginners. Thanks for watching.